This friendly spider makes a great decoration indoors or out. For this project, you will need an oval or round shaped stone about 1.5 to 2 inches across, coated black wire or floral wire, and a black Sharpie, black and white acrylic paint, a paintbrush, Mod Podge, paint pen or metallic permanent marker, wire cutters, a strong glue such as E6000, and googly eyes. Anytime I paint rocks, I start with a white base. If you're making a black spider, you could probably skip this step, but I always like to start with a coat of white and let it dry completely before continuing. Now paint the rock black or whatever color your spider is going to be, and let that dry completely. And finally coat the rock with a layer of Mod Podge or a half glue, half water solution to seal it. Let it dry completely before continuing. I didn't have any black coated wire to match my spider's body, so I'm just using floral wire and coloring it black with a permanent marker. Make sure that you use a really low gauge metal. You don't want to use any metal that's going to bend under the weight of your rock. Cut the wire into lengths of about 8 inches or so. It just depends on the size of your rock. Bundle the wire together, and then with one piece of wire, twist it around the middle so everything stays together in the bundle. Hold the rock in position in the middle of the wire to hide the twist. Just hold it here for now and bend the leg. So you're going to make a joint and then a foot. So try and bend all of the wires evenly and spread out so that it will hold the rock up. Once you have the legs properly positioned so that it can support your rock, use a glue such as E6000 on the bottom and stick it to your wires. If your spider is going to live outside, you can spray it with an acrylic sealer at this point. Glue on the googly eyes with the E6000. Add a smile with your paint pen or metallic permanent marker, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new videos every week.